What's up everybody, it's your boy Matty with WilliSilicon, and today we're going to take a look at the Redragon Draconic K530 keyboard. I've been using the Redragon K552 keyboard for a while now, but that keyboard is black and I have a white PC build, so I finally decided to get a white keyboard. Plus, as everyone knows, RGB looks a lot better with a white background. So I decided to stick with Redragon and pick up the white Draconic K530 keyboard. Now this is a 60% keyboard, which is a little bit smaller than the K552. And this keyboard also has Bluetooth connectivity and comes with a USB-C type cable for wired connection and charging. This keyboard also, of course, has mechanical switches, and the one that I picked up has Altumu brown switches. And of course, I also picked up a white Redragon mouse to match the keyboard. And I decided that I'm going to do a separate video for the mouse, so subscribe and stay tuned for that. Alright, let's check this stuff out. Alright, so we got dust-proof brown switches, very nice. This also comes with a mechanical switch puller, which is also very nice. And let's take a look at some of the features they have listed here. It says it has low power consumption, that's good. It works on the 3 platforms, PC, tablet, cell phone, 61 key compact design, RGB backlighting, built-in battery. It has a Type-C to USB charging cable, and there's also software available, which we will get into very soon. Alright, this is pretty cool. It actually comes with this little box of different types of mechanical switches so that you can try out some of the different types, because the switches on this board are hot swappable. Here is the USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable. And here is my sexy new keyboard. I love the look of it. It feels really nice. It's got a nice weight to it. It's a all plastic body, but it does have a metal switch plate. It's got some nice rubber on the bottom, some kick up feet. You got the Redragon logo right there on the front. Alright, I really love that this thing comes with a nice little switch puller, and also it comes with a high quality keycap puller. This thing is way easier to use than the keycap puller that came with my K552, and it doesn't damage the keys when you use it. And the first thing I'm going to do is remove some of these keycaps and remove the switches, and I'm going to replace them with some of the sample switches so that I can try them out. And no keycaps were damaged in the making of this video. Now, pulling the switches can be very difficult. Like, the whole time I was afraid I was going to break something. Luckily, I did not break any switches. Alright, I'm going to try a red switch right here in the escape key slot. And I'm going to put the blue switch in the tab key slot. and the black switch right here in the cap lock. It even gives you instructions on how to do this right here on the box. And on the side here, you got your USB-C charge port. You got an on-off switch to turn the wireless on and off. And then you got B1, 2, and 3, so you can have 3 different devices saved to the Bluetooth connection. You got the Bluetooth indicator light, and then you got the battery light. So we got brown, black, blue, red. Now I want to see how good the rubber on the bottom is. See if this thing slides around too much or not. It feels pretty good. It doesn't move a whole lot. But now when you open the feet and raise the keyboard up, it does move a lot more, but it still is not bad. It doesn't move that much. You have a lot more rubber surface area with the feet closed, but when you open them, you just have this little bit of area here. So it's gonna move more when you have it raised. Let's see how it sounds while typing. I can't type very well, but there you go. That's how it sounds. Now we're going to get into the software for this keyboard. You can go to redragonzone.com, go to the downloads, and find the K530 Draconic keyboard. Download the software, and I will have a link to this in the description. You're going to extract all the files, and then you want to run the application and go ahead and get it installed, and then finish, and then just open up the program and you're good to go. Just make sure you click on the light box there, and then you'll see all the lighting. don't mind my dirty K552 keyboard, but I thought it would look kind of cool if I stole the WASD caps from this one and put them on my new K530. So as you can see, this keyboard is highly customizable. You can have all different kinds of keycaps on here. You can change out the switches, but it can only be Atumu switches. Something like Cherry MX switches are too big to fit in this board. But can it game though?
Gold team takes the lead. It's all tied up. Double KO. Pass to me. It's all tied up.
Ah, fuck.
Needs one more point to win the match. Blue team wins.
And the keyboard does work on the Xbox with a compatible game like Outriders, but it only works with a wired connection. You can't connect a Bluetooth keyboard to the Xbox. This keyboard is only 40 bucks right now on Amazon as I'm recording this video, and I believe that's about the best value you can get for a mechanical gaming keyboard. I think that this thing is beautiful, it's high quality, and it is packed full of features at this low price point. Now I'm just recently starting to get into mechanical keyboards, and honestly, I still don't know a whole lot about them. But the main place that I've been going for information is a YouTube channel called Switch and Click. I highly suggest that if you're really into this stuff, you should go check out that channel. I'll leave a link down in the description. Anyways, that's all for this video. Please like and subscribe and all that awesome stuff. And thank you for watching. Stay safe and have fun.